probably for the better part of 10 years. When I would cough or sneeze, I would release urine.
The leaky bladder is extremely common, and I think one of the biggest issues is that women just don't like to talk about it. They think they have to put up with it, or they're somewhat reluctant to talk about it in the office to their doctor. It
finally got to the point where it was interfering with stuff. I had to carry extra underwear and clothes to work, or I'd have to go home in the middle of the day, and it was I don't think anyone ever noticed, but I felt embarrassed and uncomfortable, and that was what finally made me decide to get tested to see if my problem was due to the incontinence that this would fix.
The procedure now is also a minimally invasive procedure, and it involves placing a small piece of mesh underneath the urethra. That's the tube that goes from the bladder to the outside, and it forms just a hammock or sling underneath the urethra, and when placed correctly, it has an over 90% chance of success.
After I had it done, I told Dr. Liebman I wish I had done this 5 years ago, because it made that much of a difference. But I thought I was too young, and so I convinced myself, oh, you don't have this, it's something else. This isn't going to fix your problem, and so I just didn't ever talk to him about it. So I should have talked to him sooner.
The recovery is also just wonderful. It's done as an outpatient. This procedure is still done as an outpatient in a outpatient facility or freestanding outpatient clinic. And the patient will go home, again, have something to eat, maybe take some pain medicine, but very little discomfort associated with it.
I sneezed, nothing, not a single drop. And it's been 2 years now. I mean, it's completely changed my life.
Very little discomfort associated with it. And what's really nice about it is that it's effective immediately. If it's going to work, he'll tell you the next day she hasn't leaked, much to her surprise.